Hi! In front of me is Huawei MatePad SE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this tablet. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down to access biometrics and password. Following that, click on Lock Screen Password. Tap on the back button and click on Change Unlock Method. Now tap on the best one from the list of available ones. 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern or password. Then create it and repeat it in order to confirm it. When you're ready, select Done at the bottom right corner. And now, when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, icons that pattern is now required. If you wish to delete your login method, you need to access the same settings. Click on Disable Lock Screen Password. Choose Disable in the pop-up and enter it in order to confirm your choice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!